Hello everyone, welcome to Legal Talks with CS Yatin. In today's episode, we will discuss one of the most cited English cases on lifting the corporate will, Gilford Motor Company Limited versus Horne of 1933, where the court exposed how a company was used as a clock to commit a breach of contract. Let's explore how this landmark judgment shaped the principle that companies cannot be used to hide illegal or dishonest conduct. Mr. Horne was a former managing director of Gilford Motor Company Limited, a car dealership in England. When he left the company, his employment contract had a clause that restricted him from soliciting its customers. But Mr. Horne had other ideas. He formed a new company, J.M. Horne and Company Limited, and started sending out advertisements and letters to Gilford's customers. But the trick? He claimed it wasn't him. It was his new company doing business, not him personally. Gilford Motor Company took legal action, arguing that the new company was merely a sham, a cover set up by Mr. Horne to get around the restriction in his contract. The central question was, can a company be disregarded if it is used to conceal a fraudulent intention? The Court of Appeal ruled in favor of Gilford Motor Company. It held that J.M. Horne and Company Limited was created as a mere device, a sham to cloak Mr. Horne's wrongdoing. The court lifted the corporate will and issued an injunction stopping Mr. Horne and his company from soliciting customers of Gilford Motor Company Limited. This case established a powerful legal doctrine, lifting the corporate will to prevent fraud or evasion of obligations. Even in India, courts have relied on this precedent to prevent misuse of company structures, whether to evade contracts, taxation, or compliance. Today, the Gilford versus Horne principle finds application in contract enforcement, prevention of shell companies, SEBI and RBI investigations, money laundering cases, and corporate fraud litigation. It reminds us that corporate structures must not be abused to commit what cannot be done directly. The Gilford Motor Company case teaches us that the law protects substance over form. Companies can be disregarded if used to commit fraud or dodge obligations. If this case helps you understand company law better, like, share and subscribe to Legal Talks with CS Yatin, because learning law can be simple when it's told like a story.